In a world where sugar-laden temptations are around every corner, the quest for healthier alternatives has become paramount. Join us on a journey to unravel the sweet truth about healthy sugars, a topic that transcends taste and delves into the intricacies of nourishing our bodies while satisfying our sweet tooth. In this video, we will explore the landscape of healthy sugars, shedding light on alternatives that not only tantalize our taste buds but also contribute to our overall well-being. The dark side of refined sugar. The ubiquity of refined sugars in our diets has raised concerns about their impact on health. From contributing to obesity and diabetes to being linked with cardiovascular issues, the adverse effects of excessive sugar consumption are well documented. In our pursuit of sweetness, it is crucial to distinguish between refined sugars and healthier alternatives that can provide the sweetness we crave without compromising our health. Natural sweeteners. Nature offers an array of sweet alternatives that not only bring flavor to our dishes but also come with added health benefits. We'll delve into the world of natural sweeteners such as honey, maple syrup, and agave nectar. These options, when consumed in moderation, provide a more nutrient-dense sweetness, along with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that refined sugars lack. Exploring the unique flavors and applications of these natural sweeteners can open up a world of culinary possibilities. The magic of stevia. Stevia, derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant, has gained popularity as a natural, calorie-free sweetener. We'll explore the science behind stevia, its sweetness intensity compared to traditional sugars, and how it can be seamlessly integrated into a variety of recipes to satisfy our sweet cravings without the guilt. Understanding the diverse forms of stevia available in the market and how to incorporate them into different culinary creations will empower viewers to embrace this natural alternative. Navigating sugar alcohols. Sugar alcohols, such as xylitol and erythritol, have become go-to options for those seeking reduced-calorie sweeteners. We'll delve into their origins, discuss their impact on blood sugar levels, and explore digestive considerations. Additionally, we'll highlight the benefits of incorporating sugar alcohols into a balanced diet, emphasizing the importance of moderation. By understanding the nuances of sugar alcohols, viewers can make informed choices that align with their health goals. Fruitful sweetness. Nature's candy, fruits, offer a delectable sweetness accompanied by an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. We'll explore how incorporating fruits into our diet not only satisfies our sweet cravings but also provides a nutrient-rich alternative that supports overall health. From the antioxidants in berries to the tropical delights of mangoes, fruits bring a burst of flavor without the need for refined sugars. Discovering the variety of fruits available and creative ways to include them in everyday meals will inspire viewers to embrace a naturally sweetened lifestyle. Balancing act. Achieving a balance between satisfying our sweet tooth and maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key. We'll discuss practical tips for reducing overall sugar intake, such as mindful eating, reading labels, and experimenting with healthier alternatives. Striking this balance empowers us to enjoy the pleasures of sweetness while prioritizing our well-being. By adopting a mindful and informed approach to sugar consumption, viewers can embark on a journey of self-discovery, finding the perfect balance that works for their unique preferences and health goals. As we unravel the sweet truth about healthy sugars, it becomes evident that the journey to a balanced and satisfying sweet experience is multifaceted. By understanding the distinctions between refined sugars and their healthier counterparts, we can embark on a path that harmonizes indulgence with nutrition. Join us in this exploration of healthy sugars, and let's sweeten our lives in a way that nourishes our bodies and delights our taste buds. Whether it's embracing natural sweeteners, experimenting with stevia, incorporating sugar alcohols in moderation, or indulging in the vibrant sweetness of fruits, the choices are diverse and exciting. Together, let's make informed decisions that transform our relationship with sweetness, creating a healthier, happier, and more flavorful life.